Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, see on screen you can see guys, suppose if you are getting this error, that is 405 method not allowed error. So how to solve that error, that I'm going to tell you today. Okay, you can see guys, I'm testing one API. Okay, so while testing the API, got this error guys, that is 405 method not allowed. Okay, so why this error will get, see it is telling method not allowed. Method means what? Here you can see guys, this is my API URL. Okay, and here is my method, right? So this we called as method. So method is not matching with my with my API, and whatever my code is there now in backend, what I have done with that, it is not matching. Okay, so if you're getting related to method, then you need to check the method only. Okay, so for that, what we'll do guys, we'll go in code now and we'll check. Okay, so I'm going now in code. You can see guys, this is my code. Okay, so these are my API roots. Okay, you can see guys, these are the roots, okay, which I'm using for testing the APIs. Okay, so particular route for this is, that is for this API. So the route is this guys, that is you can see guys, this is the route, okay, where I'm getting all the customers. Okay, but here you can see guys, I'm using here method post, and here is my get method. Okay, so they both are not matching, so I'm getting that error. Okay, so if now we'll see, we'll solve that error. So you can see guys, now what I'll do, I'll make it get. Okay, and I'll go here, sorry, here, and here I'll test. Now the method is same. Okay, both methods are same. Okay, that is in Postman and in my code also. Now you can see guys what I'll get. You can see guys, now I'm getting the customer data, right? Okay, so see guys, like this you can solve this error, that is 405 method not allowed. Okay, if you're getting this error, then you can solve this error like this guys, and this is useful for all the codes guys. If you're doing in Node, okay, if you're doing in APIs in Node, in other language PHP, everything is the same. The process will be the same. Okay, so I hope you got it. So if you liked this video, then guys, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe guys, and thank you so much guys, and keep supporting guys.